Hi everyone, this is Shane Murphy. I am your online tutor or facilitator for the digital marketing unit, specifically Marketing 302. So I just wanted to welcome you all to the online space and a little introduction of myself and the unit for you, so you can put a face to all the cyber activity that we'll be engaging with in the coming weeks. So I've been working for APM for about 12 years. So certainly for the last 5 years, primarily I've been doing a lot of education in the space of face-to-face teaching in digital marketing and marketing fundamentals, and also consumer behavior psychology. And additionally to that, I've been actively working in the industry as well, particularly the entertainment and the events industries, as a marketing consultant. I first sort of started looking at the whole internet marketing space way back in 2000, right when the explosion of the internet. I was a IT recruitment consultant, and I also was studying the consumer behavior internet marketing. So I've got a kind of a big background, and I guess, or a long background I would say, but it's such a fast moving industry and there's so much to it that I don't think anyone could ever say they're a real expert across all aspects. So what we're aiming to do with this subject is just to get some core fundamentals so that we leave the subject feeling that we're confident that we know what digital marketing is, we know what the theoretical principles are, and some of the interesting transitions and interesting trends, I guess, that are occurring in that space. Your core text is this e-marketing textbook. As I said, e-marketing and digital marketing are used interchangeably. This is great for theoretical underpinnings for this unit. We also have a study guide, which is available on the portal. It's also a good read as well for theoretical underpinnings, and there's also some lecture notes to support that, and it's what I deliver on a face-to-face level. Additionally to that, and keep your eye out for key video links that I put up week to week that are relevant to that lecture material, as well as articles for reflection. And this really gives currency to the unit, so pay attention to those additional materials, because I'm really seeking out the 2013, May, June, we'll be transitioning and trying to get the latest of what's happening and put up there as a support for you. So the discussion forum is important. It's important that we have a culture, I guess, as a class together of sharing, because really in this space it is all about sharing and reflecting on that as well. So I really encourage you to check out the discussion forums. At a minimum twice a week, checking out the portal would be advisable. Keep up to date with your readings. And just quickly, I wanted to talk about the course assessments. There's 3 course assessments. The first one is individual, and that's setting up an online blog where you're going to be reflecting on your own thoughts on what other people are talking about in terms of the digital marketing space and digital marketing strategy. You're going to read those and you're going to reflect on those. You're going to create your own blog, which is really exciting. Second assessment is a group assessment, so we're going to use the online tools, and we'll talk more about that shortly, to set up groups of 3 or 4 for the report, and you're going to be analysing some companies and analysing their digital marketing strategies. So that's a group report. And the third assessment is an exam assessment, and the details of that, how that gets administered, obviously in the online space, it is a closed book exam, and there's a very specific process or protocol to deliver that exam that will be delivered later in the course. So don't worry about the exam right now. More information is going to be provided a little later on. So yeah, really welcome to Digital Marketing 302. I really hope that you get something out of the unit and you get some great insight into digital marketing, and I really hope that you participate and we share what we're seeing out there. There's a lot of interesting stuff. I've also put an introduction up on the portal there where my contact details are available, and also I'm available for a Skype consultation once a week. Probably best to email me prior to the Wednesday 1 till 2 p.m. that I'm going to be available, and if you've got any prior questions, that's good. So email contact, obviously business hours. Weekends are not good for me. I've got 4 kids, and I really like to focus on my family on weekends. So business hours, and expect expect, as I said, a 24-hour turnaround for contact that you make. So good luck with everything this semester, and I really hope you have a good online learning experience. All right.